Okay, everybody, hello. Trina Murphy from Philadelphia, and this is actually a follow-up video from two previous videos that I actually published already on YouTube. You can go and research them. I'm gonna keep this video relatively short because I respect your time, and I really want to emphasize on this and shine light on it because this is the basics. This is where it all starts. This is how you have to start with self first. And unless you work on yourself and become better in improving yourself, you're not going to be too much help to others. Okay? But it all starts with you. Just remember that. So now the first tip that I want to share with you is you need to stay in the present. Stay in the present, stop procrastinating and putting things off until the next day. Oh, I'll do it when I get off work tomorrow. Oh, I'll do it first thing tomorrow morning. I'll do it on my lunch break or something like that. Don't procrastinate. As soon as you feel the urge to do it, go make it happen. Okay, that is, I think that's almost vital. It's almost key because everything that you do has to start with you because you have to lead by example, and you see what I mean by that. Because if you're just sitting back and watching everybody and saying hello, hello, hello to their comments, but you're not posting anything or expressing yourself or doing videos or doing lives or reaching out to people and letting them know you could be of value or of service to them, you're going to be you're going to be stuck somewhere between A and B. Okay, so I want to shine some light on it. Now, don't put things off. As soon as, okay, it could be even after you just got finished working out. And normally it used to happen to me that way. I used to say, oh, and right after I got done working out, I would have these urges. I'm like, I'm going live. I'm going to do this video. I'm going to start reaching out to people. I'm going to reach out to the whole world and help them change their lives. Help them, improve their lives. And that's what I started doing right after a workout, right after a walk or right after, right after I do what I do to get me motivated, I would say, okay, I'm nervous, I'm scared, I want to barf into my little barf bag, whatever have you, but I'm doing this live, I'm doing this video, and I'm talking to people. Do whatever you have to do, whatever it takes. Please come out of your comfort zone, okay? Please. And let me let you in on a little secret. It's a little easier if it's in a niche that you're if it's a part of your niche, something that you're already going through or experiencing, if it's, if you're diabetic and you know that you found the secret to being, to curing diabetes or getting your diabetes under control, reach out to people that are going through that. If you are someone who suffers from fibroids or cysts or something else personal like that, connect with those people. If you are someone who suffers from eczema, hint, like me, I'm going to reach out to those people and tell them, hey, listen, I know what you're going through. I've been there. I've done that. Let me share some secrets with you, okay? Not to get off the topic here. Let me come back. I just wanted to give you those examples so that you know more insight. Like, okay, just start with what you're going through first, what you've experienced, share it, and let them know, hey, I've been there and done that too. Okay? Simple, easy peasy. I've decided to reach out and talk to people that are going through things that they haven't experienced since we've been in lockdown since March of last year, because those are the people that are going to really, really need your help because, one, they're on lockdown. They're on lockdown and they want and need someone to talk to. They need someone to listen to them. They need someone that's going to be there in their corner. They need someone to rah them on. They need someone to be friends with. I've suffered through it. I've gone through it. Okay, I wanted to just call somebody or talk to somebody I just needed somebody to listen to me. Okay? No matter how you do it, get on a call, get on a Zoom call, get on Messenger. Don't be afraid to show your face. I know it's uncomfortable, but don't do it publicly at first. Don't get on your post and go live. Do it in groups. Do it one-on-one until you get used to it. Okay, in case you want to barf in your bag. At least you're barfing in front of maybe one or two or three people, but you're doing it. You're making it happen. Okay. Now, let's get back to this because I'm going off on a tangent. Okay, again, when you feel the urge to make something happen or do something or help someone, whether it be 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning after your workout or after your routine or whatever have you, do it. Move on it. Because someone is going to see it, because someone is going to be in sync or in tune with you. Okay, they may not see it until maybe 10 or 11 o'clock, but they're going to get to your post or your live, your video, and they're going to be in sync, and they're going to want to connect and build and grow with you. And that's all part of, self-improvement and self-motivation. They go hand in hand. You stand out as a motivator or someone that's working on your own personal self-improvement. And then you share it with others. You reach out to others just having that same problem that you're going through, and you connect and you share with them, hey, I got the solution for this. I had the problem. I have the solution to whatever it is that you're going through, and you share that with them freely. They're going to say, hey, they're going to reach out to you in response. Like, okay, you're going through this too. I thought I was the only person that suffered abuse. I thought I was the only one that suffered from eczema. I thought I was the only one that suffered from, diabetes or whatever it is that you're going through. I'm just telling you, please step out of your comfort zone, because that's what it all boils down to. Okay? Step out of your comfort zone, as hard as it is. And do whatever you have to do. If you have to work out and then maybe take I don't have my glass around me. Take a shot of vodka first or whatever have you. Do whatever it is that you have to help bring you out of your comfort zone, because that's a secret. That's the secret. Becoming uncomfortable. Okay, that's the key secret. You have to work on your own self-improvement and learn how to motivate others so that you can help them achieve the goals and the dreams that they want. And also, you can bring your own dreams into manifestation so that you can live the best possible life that you want to live. Okay? Live the best possible life that you could live by helping others. But another secret, let me let you in, is not to think about someone as a sale. Okay? That's where things get a little funky, when you see everybody that you see as a sale. No, it's not going to work. You have to see yourself providing and giving value to anybody in your niche, and when you put your heart and soul into it, believe me, it all fuses together and it works. All right. I'm going to go ahead. I told you I'm going to keep this video short, and I am going to keep it short. So let me just skim to the bottom of my notes, and I basically covered everything as I was rambling. Okay, so with that being said, implement these tips. Reach out to others, help others, work on self. I post videos from TikTok and other places or whatever have you on my wall, because some people say things more dramatically or effectively than I can actually say. But I want you to know, hey, this is me. This is what I believe in. I support these people. I support the people that are in my niche who have gone through the same struggles I have gone through. But in the long run, whatever struggles we're going through, or something, whatever whatever it is that is holding us back or keeping us back, we have to learn to deal with it. Deal with it. Learn to live with it. Accept it. Come to peace with it. And live the rest of our lives showing others how to become the best person they can be, with or without drama. Okay? So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, everybody. I hope it wasn't too long. Share this video, subscribe, like, share it with someone that you think may need to use this valuable information. Okay, share, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Again, Trina from Philly, and everybody.